Stop guessing angles. Here's how to master cuts with 2 tools. Miter saw, power on. Set your angle here. Secure wood against the fence, no wobbles. Lower blade smoothly. Done. No power tool? Use a miter box. Slot wood, match your angle. Saw slowly through the guides. Let the box do the work. Use the saw for thick wood. Use the box for trim or tight spaces. Always mark cuts first. Measure twice. Want templates, safety tips, and pro hacks? Click the link in the description for more free info. Save this for your next project.